Chameleon courtship, color change and survival in the wild. The chameleon is a marvel of nature, using color change as a courtship strategy to attract females. This unique ability also helps them gain an edge over rival males. During mating season, male chameleons display vibrant colors to captivate potential mates. These color changes are not just for show, they play a vital role in their survival and reproduction. Under their skin, chameleons possess specialized pigment cells called chromatophores. These cells contain pigments that can expand or contract, altering the chameleon's skin color dramatically. The primary pigment cells include melanophores, which contain black and brown pigments, xanthophores, which have yellow pigments, and erythrophores, containing red pigments, also contribute to their stunning color displays. When a male chameleon senses a female nearby, its chromatophores get activated. The expansion or contraction of these pigment cells creates a vivid, colorful display that catches the female's eye. This color change isn't just for attracting mates, it also serves as a deterrent to rival males. A brightly colored chameleon can signal strength and dominance, discouraging competitors. Color change in chameleons is a complex process controlled by their nervous system and hormones. Environmental factors like light and temperature can also influence their skin color. By mastering this color-changing ability, chameleons can communicate their intentions and status effectively. This skill is essential for their mating success and territorial defense. Female chameleons are selective, often choosing mates based on the intensity and vibrancy of their colors. This preference ensures that the strongest and most adaptable males pass on their genes. The color-changing prowess of chameleons is a testament to their remarkable ecological adaptation. It highlights the intricate relationship between their biology and their environment. Beyond courtship, chameleons use color change for camouflage, blending into their surroundings to evade predators. This multifunctional ability underscores their survival tactics in the wild. In summary, the chameleon's ability to change color for courtship is a fascinating blend of biology and behavior. It showcases their unique adaptation and plays a crucial role in their life cycle.